Walking under skies of gray, the cold rain washes nothing away. Just a man who's lost his way, holding a heart in disarray. Every drop feels like a tear, echoing all of my deepest fears. Oh, this wound, this deep tickle memory, a love that I will long remember, a glowing ember of the pain, lost in the rhythm of the falling rain. My broken heart, a heavy stone. In this world I walk alone. But in the dark a flicker starts, a thread of light that mends the parts. The crimson glow begins to fade, a silent promise has been made, slowly healing piece by piece, searching for a sweet relief.